Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create an oil paint effect and also how you can use it further to turn any of your images into the same. So, without any further ado, let's jump right in. Right-click on the image and choose Duplicate Layer. Right-click and convert it into Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments and choose Shadows and Highlights. Change the shadow amount to around 14 and highlights amount to 4. Hit OK. Now go to Filter, Stylize and choose Oil Paint. Change the values to 7, 5, 7 and 5. Check the lightning and keep any angle as per your choice. With shine to 0.6, hit OK. Here's what it will look as of now. Again go to Filter, Sharpen and Smart Sharpen. Change the amount to 100, radius to around 10, reduce the noise to 100 and remove to Lens Blur. This will sharpen your image and reduce the details of our image. Hit OK. Go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. Change radius to 20 and threshold to 10. Hit OK. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Here in the brush strokes, choose Accented Edges. Change the value to 1, 28 and 2. Hit OK. Again go to Filter, Noise and add noise. Change the amount to 1 and hit OK. Once more go to Filter, Other and choose High Pass. Change the radius to 2 and hit OK. Double-click on this little icon near High Pass. Change its mode to Overlay and hit OK. Now again go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Inside the texture group, choose Texturizer. Change the texture to sandstone, scaling to 50%, relief to 3 and hit OK. This is our image as of now. Finally, let's add some adjustments to our image. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Right-click on Smart Filters and choose Clear Smart Filters. Rename the layer to Effect. And rename the top layer to Tone. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Change the radius to 10 and hit OK. Now go to Adjustment layer and choose Invert. Again from the Adjustment layer, choose Black and White. Select all the 3 layers by pressing the Shift key and press Ctrl or Command G to group them all. This will be our adjustment layer group. Change the blending mode of this group to Overlay. Decrease the opacity according to your image. I'll keep it to around 40. You can even add some curves adjustment if you want. Adjust it as per your image. And there we have our image. Our digital photo has been transformed into a stunning piece of art with a classic oil paint effect. Now, let me show you how you can add this effect to different pictures. Just double-click on the effect layer. A new document will open up with the original image in it. Here, you just have to replace your image. Just drag and drop your image. Adjust it to fill the canvas. When done, go to File and save it. Get back to the original document and here we have our image being replaced with the same effect applied to it. You can even adjust the tone and some other adjustments as per your image requirement. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be applied to a wide range of images, from portraits to landscapes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.